Let me tell you something that no one's been honest with you about. Quitting porn doesn't just change your habits, it changes your brain. And if you've been stuck in this cycle of watching, relapsing, telling yourself this is the last time, but your focus is off, your drive is inconsistent, and deep down you know you're not operating at the level you should be, well, there's a reason for that. Your brain has been trained, it's been conditioned, rewired in the wrong direction. And today I'm going to break down exactly what's happening inside your brain while you're addicted. What happens to you when you finally quit, and why most men fail in this process. But most importantly, how to actually rewire your brain so you can become the man you know you're called to be. Because once you understand this, you stop seeing porn as just a bad habit and you start seeing it as what it really is. Guys, welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, host and founder here, and it has been our mission for the last 6.5 years to help men just like you, those caught up in the depths of pornography addiction, take back control, rebuild their identities, and step into a life of freedom. If you are new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this on your YouTube, make sure to turn those post notifications on. But let's get something straight right out of the gate. This isn't about willpower. This isn't about you being weak. This is about your brain being overstimulated and under discipline. When you watch porn, your brain releases dopamine. That's the reward chemical. It's what drives motivation. It's what makes you pursue goals. It's what makes you feel alive. But here's the problem. Porn isn't just a normal dopamine release. It's what's defined as a supernormal stimuli. It provides unlimited novelty, unlimited variety, and unlimited access. Your brain was never designed for this. So what happens? You flood your brain with dopamine over and over and over again, and eventually your brain adapts. It downregulates. This means your dopamine receptors are shutting down. You need more stimulation just to feel normal. But now real life, it just doesn't hit the same anymore. Your goals don't excite you. The gym feels harder. Work feels boring. Relationships begin to feel dull. And it's not because they are, it's because your brain has been trained to expect something easier, something faster, something artificial. This is why you don't feel motivated. This is why you procrastinate. This is why you keep going back, because your brain is choosing the easiest reward available. And over time, something else happens. Your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that's responsible for decision-making, discipline, and impulse control, it starts to weaken. So now you've got a brain that wants more stimulation, feels less from real life, and has less control for you to say no. That, my friend, is the trap. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever been feeling like this? Low motivation, brain fog. You sit down to work and you can't even focus. You say you're going to do something, but then you don't follow through. You feel anxious, guilty, like you're living a double life. Maybe you're successful on the outside, but behind closed doors, you know the truth. You've got urges you can't control. You got habits that you're hiding. You got a version of you that no one sees. And this is killing your confidence, because some of you have even noticed this in your relationships. You're less attracted to your partner. You're less present with your family, less connected, or worse, you're dealing with performance issues. And now you don't understand why. Well, let me make it simple for you. Brother, you're not lazy. You're not overstimulated. You are not broken. You've been conditioned. Now, here's where this begins to get real, because a lot of guys think, I'll just quit and everything gets better. But that's not how this process works. When you quit porn, your brain doesn't immediately reward you. It actually does the opposite. Phase one is you go through withdrawal. Your dopamine baseline is low. Your brain is used to high levels of stimulation. And now you've taken that away. So what happens? You feel flat, low energy, low libido, mood swings, irritability, no motivation. And this is where most men quit and give up, because they're thinking this isn't working. I feel worse. I need relief. So they go back. But here's the truth. That feeling, that discomfort, that's your brain's healing. It's not getting worse. You're resetting yourself. Now, if you push through, your brain starts to stabilize. Your dopamine receptors begin to recover. You start noticing small little wins. You get a little more focus over here, a little bit more energy. Real life activities start feeling better. Not amazing yet, but better. The urges are still there though, but they're weaker. You're gaining some ground. And then something powerful finally happens. Your brain starts associating reward with real life again. Discipline begins to feel good. Progress starts to feel good. Connection starts to feel good. You're no longer chasing cheap dopamine hits. You're building real momentum. And this is where the identity shift begins. You stop being the guy who's trying to quit. and you start becoming the man who doesn't need it. Now let's talk about how to actually do this, because you just don't remove porn and magically become disciplined. You have to rebuild your brain on purpose. Step one is you have to reset your dopamine. That means removing the high stimulation inputs, porn, endless scrolling, junk food, constant noise. You cannot heal in the same environments that made you sick. You must create some space. This is why things like fasting, cold shower, sitting in silence, those things work. They reset your baseline. They teach your brain to function without constant stimulation. Step two is you must replace that reward loop, because your brain is always going to seek reward. That's how it's wired. The question is, what are you feeding it? You need to start creating wins in real life. Lift something heavy, build something, make progress, stack daily victories. You need to show your brain this is what we do together. Step three is begin to structure your day. This is where most men fail. They try to wing it. That doesn't work. You need structure. This is why in our program, we use it at daily 5. Win your morning, move your body, feed your mind, practice gratitude, reflect at night. It's that simple, but brother, it is that powerful. Step 4 is you must get into accountability. And this is where I'm going to be real with you. You're not going to beat this alone. You need self-accountability, keeping your word. You need peer accountability, other men walking this path, and you need expert accountability, someone who's showing you the way that's done it before. Because left to your own devices and mind, you're going to justify going back. And step 5 is you need a new identity. This is the most important piece. You don't quit porn by focusing on quitting porn. You quit porn by becoming a man who no longer needs it. A man with purpose, a man with discipline, a man who leads himself. Now, I want to talk to you for a minute about what's on the other side, because this is what you're really after. When you rewire your brain, your focus sharpens, your energy increases, your motivation comes back online. You start doing the things that you said you're going to do. And because of that, your confidence grows because you trust yourself again. Your relationships improve, your attraction comes back, your connection deepens. You once again feel present, grounded, and clear. You stop chasing cheap dopamine and start building a powerful life. You become dangerous in the best way possible. Now, let me leave you with this here today. This was never just about porn. This was about the type of man that you're becoming. Right now, you got 2 versions of you. There's the boy, the one that reacts, consumes, and escapes. And then there's the man, the one who leads, who builds, who controls himself. And every day you're choosing the version of you that wins. So the question is, who are you going to be? Now, if you're serious about rewiring your brain and finally breaking free from this cycle, I want you to get a copy of my brand new ebook, Porn Free Man. This is the exact 12-week system that's helped over 1,800 men take back control of their life. And if you want support, if you want brotherhood, if you want a place to actually do this with other men, then you can join us inside the Rebuilt Man community. It's 100% free, no credit card, just men doing the work. The link for the book is at therebuiltman.com/porn-free. It's plugged down there in the show notes below. And when you get access to the book, there'll be an invitation to join us in the community. But start today. There's no more time to waste. There's no more time to delay. The life that you're desiring is sitting on the other side of you making some difficult choices today. So pick up the ebook at therebuiltman.com/porn-free. And we'll see you guys on the inside.